Hi everybody, it's TheNailPolishFanatic, and I'm going to be reviewing the China Glaze Crackles versus the O.P.I Shatters. So I painted my nails with O.P.I's DS Radiance, and I just did one coat with a base coat underneath. And then I bought like 5 different shatters and painted my nails with them to show you the difference. So on my pinky finger, I have the China Glaze Crushed Candy. It's the Turquoise Crackle. And then my ring finger, I have the Black Shatter from O.P.I. And then my middle finger, I have the White Shatter from O.P.I. And then my pointer finger, I have Broken Hearted from China Glaze. And then my thumb is the Turquoise Shatter from O.P.I. So I'll do a demonstration so you can see like the difference between them. And there's really no difference except for the fact that the China Glaze ones are a lot thinner than the O.P.I. So there's the crushed candy, and then it'll start cracking in a couple seconds. And then after you put the top coat on, they start to crack more. So when that one's done cracking, I'll show you. And then I'm going to do the Black Shatter. And the Black Shatters compared to the Black Mesh from China Glaze, it's way different because they crack differently and the textures are different. But you wouldn't be able to like tell, any major difference between them. This O.P.I cracks a lot faster than the China Glaze ones. The camera isn't really focusing because it's on my iPhone camera, so it's not focusing too well. But this one shatters way faster than the China Glaze. And then I'll do the White Shatter by O.P.I. And the White Shatter is way thinner than the Black Shatter. So I don't know if they made it like that or if it's just like the mixture, but it's much thinner, but they crack in pretty much the same amount of time. And then I'll do Broken Hearted from the China Glaze Crackle collection. And I think that China Glaze is starting to make metallic crackles too, which is cool. And then on my thumb, I'll do the Turquoise Shatter from O.P.I. The Turquoise Shatter is like the same amount of thickness as the white, so they're both pretty thin. And then you can put a top coat on it if you want. It's not like necessary, but I put top coats on mine. Here's my top coat from O.P.I. The top coat just makes it like shinier and glossier, and it also prevents it from chipping. And then if you put a base coat on your nails, it protects your nails from the nail polish, so then that way they don't turn yellow, because sometimes if you paint your nails too much still, your nail beds will start to turn yellow. So the base coat helps prevent that. So here's the finished product with a top coat on it. So overall, the China Glaze ones are much thinner than the Black Shatter, but there's really no major difference. It's not too noticeable. So I'll put a list of the polishes that I have reviewed in the description bar. And then next I'm going to be reviewing these sunglasses. That was a request. So yeah, see you soon. Bye.